What's up, guys? It's Zed with another NEM by 3. It's the i3 Pro that literally launched a week ago. So I got probably the first one in Europe. Let's see what's inside. There we go. I very like the packing. It's very nice. There's our specs on the back. I'm gonna make a photo of it and put it in a video. And the box. Ooh. So what we get? I'm gonna try to focus on that a bit. Maybe not. Never mind. No, there we go. We have this nice, very nice leather etui case, carrying case. We get the NEMs, the Terminator T1000 look in-ear monitors. I'm gonna try to focus on that. Liquid metal look. They feel fantastic in a hand. It's two nice pieces. You can hear them like dice. I'm gonna try make a better shot in a second. The manual. And warranty card. And then let's see if there's anything underneath it. No, that's it. And this bag. Now let's have a look what's inside of this. We get all sorts of stuff. A nice cloth, is it? Like in Open Hearts, I assume, for cleaning the polish, the polish look. Let's open it. I like opening new things. Nice. It's one of the nice cloths. I like it. Especially my hair is green as well. I don't know if I showed it in a second. So it's matching my hair, so it's even better. So to get that nice polish look, let's put it like this way. There we go. Very nice. We get a brush to clean NEM and tips. The mentioned case. I like it. Oh, it's nice. So nice inside. It's the suede, I think. It looks like it's smiling. I don't know if I'm gonna try to catch it. The buttons on it look like it's smiling. Never mind. Very nice magnetic seals, as you see. Oh, this is gonna be my probably #1 carrying case as of now. And let's have a look. We get tips. Let's get over the tips. Tips are tips and tricks. Very nice, colorful. I see multiple sizes. Let's have a look on the bores of them. That's all the tips you get. If the different sounding ones, I'm not sure. We're gonna roll through them and see how they sound on different ones. But I'm a memory foam person, as you know. And then you get the foam tips. Oh no, these are not foam tips. These are super soft tips. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, these are like the same that we got on by standard. So it would be nice if 3 would clarify which ones supposed to do what or sound what, how. But that's obviously opinion based. We get those. These are the very light silicone, the super soft silicone. You see, I like those. These are good for sitting still. And then let's get to the cable. Last thing, best. It's a pure copper cable. Oh, I like the feel of it. Let's see if it's if it tangles or not. Yeah, this is probably gonna be my second favorite cable that comes with in EMs besides open hearts, because I love the brass on it. But I do love how it looks. It's like a browner, deeper copper look. I'm gonna try to make a closer shot in a second. Very nice braid. I'm trying to get a focus. Obviously it's a phone, so there we go, but the focus for you. How braiding is. A very nice metal here. Oh, with the logo TRI. That got wise, nice. Now let me try to get you a closer look on the INEM itself, so you can see the lovely chrome. Focus on that. There we go. Look at this. That's why I was sold on the looks. You can see my hair in it. It's green, like I said. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing some burning in, and well, I'm gonna start from listening. So I'm gonna pause the video here and put them on and give you my initial impressions of the sound before burning and using them, etc. And we're back for the initial listening experience, let's say. Let's start. First tune. Madonna, Vogue. Let's see how the bass drops. It's very comfortable to wear, as you see. That's how it actually looks on you. I like the feel of it. So soft. Ooh, nice and deep. Very nice bass. Very nice bass, guys. Bum, 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 bum. Now the kick. Strike the pose. Madonna, great. Next, what we have? Metal. Where's metal? Metal. Music, theater of tragedy. 3, 4. Bass is awesome. Yeah. This is planar with bass. Super clean sound. Punchy. Pim pam. I synthesize. I like the key. Turn it on. Compose a melody. Oh, obviously I'm gonna be singing shit. I need more rhythm. I'm waiting for a female vocal to come in on Theater of Tragedy Music. Epic, right? Leaf's voice sounds epic. Imagine there's some different. More metallic than electric. Velvet Darkness, which is piano. Electric guitar, piano, violin. Alright, this is sing-along one. Female vocal, fantastic. Male vocal, great. Right, Chemical Brothers, Under the Influence. Bass check, innit? I'm a bass head after all. Mixed. Let's see. Chemical Brothers, Under the Influence. And the swap.